Meaning of illuminance.
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 Illuminance. Illuminance refers to the amount of light that falls on a surface per unit area. It is a measure of the intensity of light at a particular point in space, and is commonly expressed in units of lux or foot candles. Illuminance can have a significant impact on human perception, as well as the quality of photographs and other visual media. Increased illuminance can improve visibility and reduce eye strain, but may also lead to unwanted glare and decreased contrast. Overall, understanding illuminance is important for designing lighting systems and optimizing visual performance in a variety of contexts.